Hey there! This is the Blueberry Buttermilk Pancake Casserole, a sweet and simple breakfast dish that's perfect for weekends, holidays, or any day you want to treat yourself. Don't worry if you're not a pro in the kitchen, this one's totally beginner-friendly. Seriously, if you can flip a pancake, you can make this recipe. It's that easy. All you need to do is layer some soft, fluffy pancakes, add a generous handful of blueberries, pour over creamy buttermilk custard, and let it bake to golden perfection. The smell. Unbelievable. The taste. Even better. This video walks you through everything step by step, so there's no guesswork. Just follow along, and in no time, you'll have a breakfast casserole that tastes like you spent hours making it, but actually took just a few simple steps. It's warm, fruity, slightly sweet, and perfect with a dusting of powdered